Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to download all your ChatGPT conversations. So this is pretty useful if you're planning to migrate to another LLM like maybe Claude or Gemini that supports the import of your data. So to get started, simply sign into ChatGPT. I've already got it open in my Google Chrome web browser right here, and we're going to want to navigate to our account settings. So to do so, click on the icon at the bottom left-hand side of your screen, then click on Settings. So this is going to open up a pop-up window, and here we're going to navigate to the data control section around the middle of the list. So here, there's an option here to export our data. Let's go ahead and click on Export and then click on Confirm Export. This is going to send an email to the registered email of your ChatGPT account. In this case, it's also asking for a verification. So I'm just going to very quickly go ahead and enter that in. Copy, paste, continue. There we go. So I'm going to go ahead and click on confirm export once again. And as you can see by the notification at the top of my screen, successfully requested your data export. You will receive an email with the details. So keep a close eye to your registered email inbox and make sure that you view any email that ChatGPT sends you. So let's go ahead and take a look. You're usually going to see an email like this that says you've recently requested a copy of your ChatGPT data, and within a few minutes or maybe within the hour, you're going to receive a download link which you can click to download your data and conversation. That's going to be it for this video though. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful, and as always, thank you for watching.